So for the Yoga Nidra, just a couple of things. Firstly, try to make yourself comfortable. So that means you want to be sitting or lying on your side or in a bed, on the floor, whatever works for you. Please get yourself comfortable. So if possible, you won't need to move. But if you do need to move, that's fine too. I always suggest you think of your safe resource. And at this stage, if you've got your rock or stone, you might like to hold it during the relaxation. It can be quite comforting and earthing to hold onto something. If you have an intention, a positive resolution, just think about what it is now. And think of my voice as just a safe sound in the background that's guiding you. And if you drift off, you can just come back to it when you're ready. If you do have to move, try to do it slowly and gently. And I'd just like to thank Jenny Wadston for this, because this is her Yoga Nidra that I am basing the practice on. Towards the end of this relaxation, there's an invitation to visualize or feel an imaginary place in nature in the summertime. And I'll guide you through this, but if any other images or sensations come up, just feel free to use your own suggestions and your own experience. So start by bringing your awareness to your breath if you're okay with following your breath. If not, ignore this instruction. Inhale through the nose, allowing the belly to gently expand, not too much, and then just sigh out through the mouth, relaxing the whole body. And do this twice more at your own pace, creating space in the body and softness. We begin with the body scan, and when I mention a body part, just take your awareness there. And if you like, imagine filling each part that's mentioned with a golden, warm, nurturing light. So we're going to start with the top of the head, bringing a golden, warm, nurturing light to the top of the head. And now the forehead, the right eye, the left eye, both eyes together. The nose, the mouth, right cheek, left cheek, both cheeks together. The right ear, the left ear, both ears together. Back of the head, neck, throat. And now focus on the right side of the body, a golden light gently touching the right shoulder, upper arm, forearm, and hand. The whole right arm. The right armpit, outside of the ribs, the waist, and the space between the outside of the upper body and the arm. The spaces between the fingers. The right side of the chest, right side of the belly, right hip, thigh, lower leg, foot, the whole right leg. The right side of the pelvis, lower back, upper back, the whole right side of the body. And just observe, is there a difference between the sensations in the right and the left side of the body? Now bring your awareness gently to the left side of the body. A golden light gently touching the left shoulder, upper arm, forearm, and hand. The whole left arm. The left armpit, the outside of the ribs and waist, and the spaces between the fingers, and the space between the side of the body and the arm. The left side of the chest, the heart center, left side of the belly, the left hip, thigh, lower leg, and foot. The whole left leg. The left side of the pelvis, lower back, upper back, the whole left side of the body. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body glowing and grounded. Now let your awareness rest at the soles of the feet for a moment and just observe how that feels. If there's no sensation at the soles of the feet, that's also an observation. As you breathe in now, imagine drawing energy up through the soles of the feet, along your legs, hips, and body, all the way to your shoulders. And as you exhale, energy moves in the opposite direction, from the shoulders all the way down and out through the soles of your feet. Inhaling from the soles of your feet to your shoulders. Exhaling from the shoulders to the soles of the feet in your own rhythm. Like a soft wave that gives you energy and that washes anything you don't need away. And now let go of awareness of the breath and explore if any part of your body feels a little warmer than the rest. If you can't find anything special, you might choose to focus on the heart, for example, imagining a nurturing warmth in there. And now feel if any part of the body feels a little cooler than the rest. And if you can't find anything special, then you might focus on the sensation on your upper lip and nose on the inhale. Perhaps the air is slightly cooler on the upper lip as you inhale. And now bring your awareness back to where it feels warm. And then back to where it feels cool. And then back to where it feels warm. And imagine that the warmth is expanding in the body. And when the warmth reaches the area that feels cooler, then these two merge, the warmth meeting the cool to bring equilibrium, perfect temperature and balance. And let go. And now we're going to feel an imaginary place in nature, a place where you feel calm and grounded. So start by imagining that you're walking in a beautiful meadow in the summertime. What flowers do you see? What colours are they? And how do they smell? As you continue walking, you decide to take a shortcut through a small forest. Imagine what the trees look like. Shafts of sunlight are shining through the tops of the trees, and it feels so peaceful in there. You hear birdsong, and then you hear the sound of rippling water, and you start to walk in that direction. Imagine what the path looks like. Are there any smells? How does it feel underneath your feet? Maybe soft moss, so you take off your shoes, or maybe something else. You reach the water. Maybe it's a stream or a lake. Maybe you might like to put your feet in. You sit down and enjoy the tranquility, feeling a soft and comfortable breeze against your skin. Here you can sit for a while if you want, or maybe you choose to swim for a while. The water feeling soft like silk and a perfect temperature. Now visualize sitting next to the water again, feeling refreshed, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. And you get up and continue walking. And after a while, you come to an old brick wall. And there is a hidden door under lots of creepers, which you open into a secret garden. The door creaks as you open it. And as you step in, you feel incredible peace. Among the weeds, there are also beautiful flowers and berries and fruits. Just look around, imagining what you see. You see a swing and a bench, and you choose one of them to sit down, feeling relaxed and free. Feeling the soft breeze against your skin again, and the gentle sun on your skin. Think of 3 things now to do with nature that you are grateful for. 3 things of the earth to give thanks for. And if you have a sankalpa or a positive resolution, Now is the time to repeat it 3 times silently to yourself. Start to come back into your body, feeling your body, feeling your breath. Become aware of any sounds you can hear far away or near to you, and just tune into those sounds. And the invitation is to remain resting if you would like to. Otherwise, just begin to very gently make slow movements with your fingers and your toes. And then maybe some bigger movements, maybe stretching, arms over your head, pointing and flexing your feet. Maybe drawing the knees into the chest and rocking from side to side. Just feeling your body, feeling your coverings, your clothes, and bringing yourself back. When you're ready, roll to one side and just stay there for a moment or two. And then when you're ready, very slowly come up to a comfortable sitting position, taking as much time as you need. So as always, give yourself plenty of time to come back to waking consciousness. We were talking about the gunas last week, and I said that after a yoga nidra, we might feel a little bit tamasic. So give yourself time to come back. Look around your space. Rub your hands together. Palm your eyes. Opening and closing your eyes into the soft palms, and then very gently removing palms. Shaking out the fingers if you like, and even clapping the hands as a way of bringing yourself back to waking consciousness.